minutes, I'm going to be teaching about the trading strategy that I use. Happens to be the best, one of the most trusted copy trading fund in the country right now. A quick introduction of who I am. This is an article way past 2019. Pa ito hindi lang nakikita. This is for 2019 from Newsbyte PH. I've already been letting people copy trade me since 2018 from different brokers like eToro, other brokers that it was eToro was prominent with copy trading before, so I was kind of prominent there. Now I'm letting people copy trade me in DoPrime, that's one of our brokers, and XM with their copy trading system. But this is an article of who I am. I've been letting Filipinos copy trade me ever since, so it's been a while already. So what am I going to be talking about this morning? First of all, the copy trading funds that we have in our trading group. This is the passive income aspect of forex trading, where I would say the best start for newbies. If you're still a newbie, wala pa yung background sa forex, this is going to be the best start for you. I'm going to be sharing the copy trading funds, some of the copy trading funds that we have that you can copy trade. Sure. So why is it the best start for you as a trader, as a newbie trader? And the strategy that I'm going to be using, I'm going to be teaching it to you now. Alright, so just for start, okay, this is the copy trading fund that I have right now. This is the high risk. Marami kasi tayo. We have low risk copy tradings. We have high risk copy tradings. This is my personal copy trading. This is one of the high risk copy trading that we have. Can I get a raise of hand? Do you know what MyFX book is? Yes, sir. You are?
Steven.
Steven.
Hula lang.
Ah.
Parang nakalog lahat ng mga trades mo.
Alright, very good. It is where you log your trades. Now, as a trading coach, as a trader, one of the most important things that you should be looking at for a coach na pwede niyong sundin is transparency. Right? It's easy to say, ay, magaling ako mag-trade. Ito yung trade ko today. Kumita ako ng 20,000 pesos, 30,000 pesos. It's very easy to say that. In fact, that is how trading coaches market themselves. The hardest part really is being transparent, where everyone can see the good trades and the bad trades. Kasi makikita mo dito yung buong picture na. Not just for a single trade, not just for a single month. From when that account existed, all the good trades, especially the bad trades, are going to be shown in the MyFX book. This is our transparency report as trading coaches. So if you look for a coach, oy coach, magaling ka daw mag-trade, can I look at your MyFX book? Because that is their transparency report. How good they are as a trader is going to be shown here. You can go to bit.ly/LBFXbook so that you can see this report. You can always check, updated po yan lagi. For this year, March, we're already at around 1% of performance for March alone. This is the monthly analytics. Makikita nyo dyan, if you go to this website, the monthly reports, I have a negative month sa November. This is what I'm saying. Not just the good trades, even the bad months, even the bad trades are going to be shown. I am negative 20% for November. My performance here, hindi lang ganong kita, but this is at 19%, 10%, 15%. For this year, January, I'm at 10%. After this loss right here, I had to recalibrate my trading. So this year, ito yung performance natin. But what makes it good is, again, the transparency. What makes it one of the best is the performance right here. This is June 2024. If you check out this link, makikita niyo po dyan when the chart started, 2024, June, and fast forward to May 2025, today, we're already up 99.84%. Yun yung performance ng copy trading natin. And the copy trading, if you're already familiar with it, that means your trading account is copying my trading account automatically. So this profit is passive income for you. Since I'm the one working for you, I'm the one trading for you. So that's what makes it very good. And this is just one of our copy trading performances. This is the overall chart. This is for this year alone. January 2025, fast forward to today. After calibrating my trading strategy, After that negative in November, I had to recalibrate it. The drawdown, meaning at a certain point, kasi hindi naman perfect sa trading. Trading is not perfect. There will be times that it will be negative. The biggest drawdown for this year, even with the Trump, what do you call this? The tariffs, the trade wars and everything. It's crazy market. But our biggest drawdown is just 2%. At a certain point, ang negative ko lang is 2%. But we were able to gain 26% from January to May. That's how good copy trading is, especially our copy trading. And this is the high risk one. Low risk one, this is one of the reasons why we say we have the best copy trading systems is longevity. It's going to be very important. Una, transparency, the returns, 100% in 1 year. Longevity, our low risk copy trading started January 2021. Fast forward till today, there will be negative months like November. Aside from the profits, don't look at this. Look at this. When did it start? January 2021. What's important in Forex is not just the profits, but is the security. How, what do you call this? The term is how consistent the trading strategy is. Kasi maglalagay ka dyan ng pera. What if hindi naman pala siya consistent? May months na baka masunog. And one of the things that we really want to aim for is consistency. We're still aiming for it because we're still trading until now. But showing our records, 2021 up to the present, our copy trading system, it has been safe. Yun yung third ko. Yun yung gusto kong sabihin. Because Forex overall is still high risk. But that is our copy trading systems. Yun lang dalawa ang pinapakita ko sa inyo. We have 4 currently, and everything has been doing well ever since. What is the significance of copy trading to you guys? I'm a big advocate for copy trading. That's why since 2019, 2018, nafi-feature na ako about to feature copy trading because it opens up Forex investment to common people. Remember, only 1% of Filipinos are into investing, and in that 1%, sobrang liit lang yan ang nasa Forex because Forex is complicated. It's not for everyone. But with copy trading, this opens up the opportunity of earning in Forex to common people, especially Filipinos na naghahanap talaga ng magandang investments. Because in copy trading, yeah, trading is not for everyone, but it doesn't mean that money moving in the market isn't for you. Everyone can now benefit from the opportunity in Forex with copy trading. Pwede ako na po magtrabaho para sa inyo through copy trading. Right? And for a newbie trader, if you want to learn how to trade, this is a perfect start for you. Bakit? This lessens the need for you to use your real funds. Kasi pag nagsisimula ka ng trading, when you venture into trading, if you want to learn, you have to really put money in it. Forex is already risky as it is because of its complexity. Namumultiply pa yung risk niya because you're a newbie, hindi mo alam ang ginagawa mo. This time, you can start learning Forex, its complexities around it, na hindi mo kailangan i-risk ang pera mo because you're already earning anyways through copy trading. And bonus pa, yung copy trading, pwede mo tignan, uy, ang ganda na strategy niya, pwede ko itong matutunan, effective naman pala. Alright? So this is why copy trading is very... Now, I'm going to be teaching you the strategy that I use on that copy trading. Nakita niyo naman yung performance kanina. Right? Yung trading strategy ko uses... We're banking on retracements, meaning we want to catch retracements. What is a retracement? On a normal trend meaning hindi kasama ang economic news. Let's say ngayon, wala namang economic news sa Philippines na gaano, except sa political, sa mga political news natin. So meaning, the economic news is kind of neutral. The peso value against other currencies are going to be moving normally. Pero pag sinabi natin, oy, nag-recession ang Pilipinas, that causes volatility and drops the peso faster. That's not normal market trend. On a normal market trend na walang news naman, on a normal trend, when a price moves too much, di ba, pag nagtitrend yan, downtrend, this is a downtrend. If sobra naman ang downtrend, wala namang bad news or real reason behind the drop, ang laki ng chance, a retracement or correction is likely going to happen. That is what a retracement is. It is going down, since sobrang taas na nung binagsak niya. Retracements are this: if it goes down, it goes up. Hindi naman magtutuloy na isang bagsak yan on a normal trend, normal downtrend. So, there's a sharp drop, and because this is already an overextension, it corrects itself. It's a correction or retracement before going down again. So it goes up and down, up and down. That's a normal trend. My trading strategy is waiting for too much movement, like this one. Okay? The strategy is to look for overextended price actions. Nakita nyo? This is a normal one. Goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up. There will be instances that this will happen. This is called an overreaction. It's an extended price action. So sobrang bilis ng galaw ng pagbaba niya. What happens if sobrang bilis ng pagbaba? There's a very high chance that it will go up. So now, my trading strategy is looking for these kinds of movements and start banking on signals na magbabounce na ito. Right? So the strategy is to look for overextended price actions and open a trade anticipating a retracement, meaning we're anticipating this retracement. Pero yan, normal lang kasi yan. Abnormal ones, mas malaki ang chance for a retracement to happen kasi sobrang lalim na. Okay, that's the strategy that I am using. So what I do is, like this one, this is an overextended price action. Going down, going up, going down, going up, but this is too much action. So ginagawa namin, since this is already an overextension, I start buying here. If it goes even further down, I look for a different position, buy more. If it goes further down even more, I will buy more. Given that this is a normal market, walang bad news on that currency. Okay? So if that happens, since malaki ang chance na mag-bounce, this is the same chart, malaki ang chance na mag-bounce, since we were buying, when the retracement happens, we can close the trade. But yeah, when we sell money, that is the strategy that I am using. Now, how effective is the strategy? Can you please open your phone? And then open Google and search there. What is a good win rate of a good trader? What is the win rate of a good trader? Then let me know what the result is. How many percentage of the trades win for a good trader? %33%. Other answers? 50 to 60%. That's a good trader already. Meaning 50% of your trades, you are right. Okay? That's a good trader. But the strategy that we are using, basing on the transparency report that I gave you earlier, if you go back to the MyFX book, my MyFX book on the copy trading that I use, the strategy, the win rate is at 71%. A good trader, 50 to 60%. The strategy we use is at 71% win rate. That's how good it is. And that is the reason why you see the results there. Makikita nyo naman yon. Almost all the months are positive. Isang buwan lang nag-negative ako. And here, in Traders PH, right, this is the trading group that I have. We happen to have pioneered the best way in teaching how to trade. It is easy, efficient, and not stressful. That made almost 100 Filipino millionaires over the years. How? One of the millionaires that we have, we're very proud of one of these community members. This is Miss Al Abaw. If you check out her MyFX book, makita niyo po dito, ang deposit niya. Where's the deposit? This is just $800. 40,000 pesos. Profit from that $800, after 2 years, ang naging profit niya is $40,000. Imagine 80,000 pesos, she was able to profit more than 2 million pesos from that 80,000 pesos using this strategy. And the big question now is, how are we able to teach the trading strategy that we are using? So a little trivia, in high school and college, in an exam, importante exam of your life, make or break, if you don't know the answer to a question, but you need to pass it badly, what do? Ito, may tumatawa. Kumokopya. Agree? Ganun ang ginagawa natin sa school. Kudos to you kung hindi ka nangongopya. Pero ako yung pinakamagaling mangopya noong high school and college ako. And that was one of the best ways for us to at least pass, di ba? But what if gusto mo matuto mag-trade? Di mo alam paano. Nagtuturo siya, nakikinig ba kayo sa teacher nyo? Hindi. Mangopya kayo sa kaklase nyo, ganito pala yung gawin. That is the concept of Trader's PH. Dati gusto namin, tuturo namin sa iyo trading strategy namin until you learn. But along the way, almost 10 years ako nagtuturo sa forex trading, it wasn't efficient, it wasn't effective. In 100 students that I teach, only around 2 to 3 persons become traders talaga. It's not efficient. We found a way to make it efficient. Bakit hindi nyo na lang kami kopyahin manually? Aside from copy trading wag yung copy trading. Copy trading is automatic kasi nakokopya yung amin. Hindi kayo matututo doon. What if bigyan ko kayo ng access sa account ko? Uy, si Sir Lloyd, nagte-trade ng gold. I-trade ko rin sa account ko. Uy, ito yung TP ni Sir Lloyd. Lagay ko rin TP dito. What if ganun? In trading, when you trade, these are the things to learn and do in trading as a newbie. You have to learn how to chart. You have to monitor economic news. And I've labeled them red because these are the hardest things to learn. Charting, pag-uupo for how many hours looking for the trades. And monitoring economic news that can affect your trades. And then, you need to learn how to open close trades, including execution and take profit and stop losses, which is another thing that you need to learn. Dapat matuto kayong paano pumindot, ano ba pipindutin, paano ba mag-open ng trade, paano ba mag-TP, paano ba mag-stop loss. And then, learn trading terms that are essential to trading, like pips. What is a pip? What is a lot size? And so many things more that adds up to the complexity of forex trading. But, if ever, kokopya ka na lang sa akin pala. Kung kokopyahin mo ako, mawawala yung mga pinakamahirap na part sa trading. Kasi ako na nagcha-chart. Di ba we call it unfair before? When you cheat, it's unfair to the people who are doing the hard work and studying. Right? It's unfair to them, kaya bawal mag-cheat. Di ba? But in Forex now, it is available. Why not kami na lang ang mag-chart? Why not kami na lang mag-monitor ng news and everything? Nakikita niyo na ang trades namin kasi pinag-aralan na namin yon. This time, since you have us to copy, to look at, eto na lang ang kailangan nyong matutunan. The hard parts are now gone. And we found out along the way that it is a more efficient way to teach you how to trade. Because nakaka-focus kayo on the little things to learn. Kasi pag nagsabay yan lahat, it's gonna be very frustrating for you. Ito na yung term na nosebleed. But this time, in your own pace, gusto ko matutunan si Pip. Ano ba yung Pip? Paano ba pindutin yon? Paano ba yung lot size iiba while I trade? You can focus on that kasi hindi nyo na kailangan mag-chart. Hindi nyo kailangan mag-monitor and everything kasi we're doing it for you. And kokopyahin mo na lang sa amin yung execution. You study on the execution instead. It's a much more efficient way of learning how to trade, and we were able to make the community even bigger and successful. More traders, more millionaires in our trading community because of this. Now the strategy is, yun, I've already taught you the strategy. Buy. Diba pag nag-overextend, we buy, start buying. On the opposite side naman, we can start
opening, sell trade, sell, short trading. More about that later. That's part of the complexity of trading. But that's the strategy. Every buy that we do, unang buy, pangalawang buy, if bumaba pa, that's the third buy. We call it a level. Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. Level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Intindihan nyo yun? That's how we execute. What is the significance of that? Di ba kung mas malalim, mas malaki ang chance of it to bounce. Right? The lower it is, the higher the chances to bounce. What if nakita mo ang trade ko? Oy, bumili na si Sir Lloyd, bumili na si Sir Lloyd, bumili na si Sir Lloyd, pangatlo, pang-apat, hala ng pang-lima. The fifth buy has the highest chance of winning. If you copy the fourth, the fifth trades, which is what we encourage you to do, I'm gonna give you an access to my account. If I trade level 4, level 5 trades, you copy it on your account. Kanina, 71%. If you do that on the MyFX book, this is true. This is our transparency report. That's 71%. If you copy the level 5 trades, ang statistics niya increases significantly to 80%. Sa 10 tira mo, 8 ang tama. In 100 trades, 80 is going to be right. This one is 400 trades, 323 for this year. We're right. 80% of the trades is right. Since pinakamababa ang binibili nyo at kinokopya ninyo. That is how effective the strategy is. Now, the question is, if you see my trade and saw that the trade is now at level 5, would you copy that trade on your account? Pag nakita mo ang trade ko at nasa level 5 na, are you gonna copy it or not? It has an 80% win rate. Are you gonna copy it or not? Yes? A good trader, win rate, ano? 50%. This is 80% win rate. If you're smart, then you're gonna copy it. That's how easy trading now is with us. This is how we are able to teach you the trading strategy. So what are you gonna see on your end? So this is the trading account that I will be giving you. So you're gonna see my trades. In this case, right, the system, we call this the signal account. This is what we are going to give you. You will have access to this, the signal account. You'll see that OddCAD, odd CHF, odd CHF, odd CHF, odd CHF pala. So, the indicator of the level is this one right here, the lot sizes. And we're gonna teach you that, don't worry. Pero the indicator, 0.01, that's the level 1, 0.02, level 2, 0.03, level 3, 0.04, level 4, 0.5 is the level 5. If you see this in my account, log out niyo yung account ko, log in niyo yung trading account niyo na may pera niyo, and you trade odd CHF near this entry level. That is how you copy my trades manually. Sobrang dali na lang. Hindi nyo na kailangan nag-chart kasi ako na nag-chart pa sa inyo. Makikita nyo rin dyan ano ang ano ang magiging target profits ko, TP. So you just set it up. Stop loss, I don't usually do stop loss. It's a different discussion, Hawaii. But yeah. And that is basically the strategy. Kopyahin nyo na lang ako. Once na marunong na kayo, if you already know, Ninong Art, kaya nga dito. Ninong Art, I want to call Ninong Art because he's here. I'm featuring him. He's one of the successful traders in the community already. But yeah, pag marunong na kayo pumindot, you know what lot sizes are, you know what lot sizes are, you know what are the things that you need to press, then you can level up from there. Kung gusto niyo na matuto mag-charting, kung gusto niyo na matuto mag-economic news, you can level up from there. But this will be the best start for you as a trader, I tell you. Okay? Ninong Art? A very good story. Come on. This is him right here. One of the millionaires that we were very proud na naging millionaire with our trading strategy, Ninong Art. Please give him a round of applause. Thank you for coming, Ninong Art. His story is he gave up on trading. He is an OFW from Singapore, IT expert. He gave up on trading already because it was very hard for him. He tried to learn, everything was there. He gave up, Ang hirap pala, Sir Lloyd, sabi niya sa akin, Sir Lloyd, mag-copy trade na lang ako sa iyo. Kasi hindi para sa akin ang trading. So he was just copy trading us. And then we introduced shadow technique. Sir Art, pwede mo copyahin ang trades namin. I'll teach you how to copy our trades. He learned from it. It was successful. He leveled up from it. Took it a step further, and he's one of the millionaires. Fast forward, just last year, he resigned from his work as an OFW full-time trader na dito sa Pilipinas. Now, he's just one of the millionaires that we were able to create in the community with the strategy. That is how effective the strategy is. With shadow technique, you can learn the complexity of Forex in your own pace, making the process more and highly efficient in developing your trading skills and maybe become the next Filipino millionaire. Thank you so much. That's the presentation. Yan po yung shadow technique. Public service po namin yan. The next question is, magkano ba yung shadow technique? It's free. We're sharing it to you for free. Wala pong bayad yan. That is our public service to the Filipinos. The only requirement for you to join is to create Forex trading account under affiliation para at least meron kami matanggap in return, pero hindi galing sa inyo. Yung broker na pabayarin natin kasi mayaman naman yan sila. Right? So, if you want to learn shadow technique, just go to this link or you can scan this QR code. Right? And I will really appreciate it if you give me a follow. You can send me a message if you have any questions along the way. This is my Facebook page. You can search for Bazaar Lloyd or Lloyd Bazaar, and you can message my Facebook page with this QR code. That is my presentation for this morning. Hopefully, may natutunan po kayo. Hopefully, I've inspired you. We've inspired you to join Forex trading. Kasi hindi na po nakakatakot ng Forex trading before. We're here to help you. Pwede nyo na po kaming kopyahin para hindi na mahirap para sa inyo. That's it for me. Thank you so much.